Welcome.
Hi, it's George with XEORGE Realty, brokered by Equity Real Estate. Today, I would like to make you aware of homes for sale in the SKYRIDGE High School school boundaries. SKYRIDGE is located in Lehi, Utah, and it first opened its doors on August 2016. The mascot is a falcon named Flash. SKYRIDGE has been state champs in cross country, in tennis, and in cheer, and many other sports that I am not aware of. The football team, it has made it to several state championships. If you would like to see homes for sale in the SKYRIDGE High School boundaries, simply go to my website, skyridge.georgerealty.com. And don't forget, George is spelled with an X. So, SKYRIDGE is located in Northeast Lehi, and it's very close to Timpanogos Highway, which takes you very quickly to I-15. Nearby is Silicon Slopes, where you will find very large companies such as DigiCert, Adobe, Microsoft, IM Flash, Cisco, eBay, and many, many, many more. The neighborhoods around SKYRIDGE, they're beautiful. Home prices average $600,000 and above. So if your son or daughter need to go to SKYRIDGE High School, give me a call or send me a text message, and let's see what homes are available for you to purchase. So have a great day. It's a great life. Take care.
Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.